Hello, I'm Tytus from DanceInsanity. And today we're going to be doing the Cuban break and the cha-cha. 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And a little later in this lesson, I'm going to tell you a really cool trick you can use to always be confident whenever you dance. Let's jump right into it. Weight's going to be on the right leg. Now all you're going to do is step across with your left foot. Now we want to make sure we actually put some weight on that front foot, okay? Then we're going to replace back to the right. Now we're going to go side on the left. Replace to the right. Left foot forward, put some weight on there. Replace the right, and then we go side left and we switch all of our weight. Okay, so now we're on the left leg. We're going to do a Cuban break on the other side. So right leg's going to come across. And we're going to switch some weight onto that front foot. Bring the weight back onto the left. Now you're going to go side on the right leg. Put some weight on that right leg. Replace the left. And cross the right leg. Replace the left. And side on the right. And we have now done 2 Cuban breaks. Yes. Okay, let's try it again. We have 4 and 1. 2. And 3 and 4 and 1. Do it on the other side. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now you might have noticed I'm doing a little bit of hip action there, just a touch. I wouldn't be too worried about that at this point in time. If I'm doing hip action and that's distracting you from the feet, I am sorry. Remember that generally you're going to have the balls of the feet in contact with the floor throughout this whole figure. So you just have your right ball of the foot is on the ground. Just keep the balls of the feet on the ground the whole time. And you're in pretty good shape. You step, keep the balls of the feet on the ground. Just a little faster like that. 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4. Let's go a little bit more advanced. 2, 3, and with the arms. 2, 3, and 4 and 1. I'm messing with you. Don't do that. That's hard. My favorite person in history is King Tut. King Tut. We should probably do that Cuban break with a little bit of music. Let's go over what we're gonna do to music. 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3. 4 half turns coming up. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and quarter turn coming up. 2, 3, 4 and the beginning position. 2 and 3. 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 4, 2 and 3 and 1, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 4 and 1. 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 4. And 3 and 4 and 1, 2, Now I promised I was going to tell you a cool trick to maintain your confidence. And here it comes, drum roll. If you do something wrong, like let's say this Cuban break is supposed to shift your weight, then replace and shift your weight, and so on and so forth, right? You're supposed to actually get weight on there. 2 and 3 and 4, and you don't do it, well, maintain your confidence. Bam, 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 bam. I'm tapping. Tap, 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 step, and tap, 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 step. It still can be a cool step whenever you're dancing. Maintain your confidence in your expression. So I actually like to think of that as a little exercise I do with my dance diary, which you can get at DanceInsanity.com. Little exercise I write down to practice every single day, which is confidence no matter what. Just make mistakes, but stay confident with it. Bam! Huh. Yeah, I know. I meant to turn those feet in, and I meant to turn them in a lot because, see, the problem is when you are told you're doing it wrong, and then you question it, and you're like, let me put this down. Everybody can then see it on your face, you know, and you're like, oh no, I turned my foot in. If you turn your foot in for a second, but you don't lose your confidence, bam, then it can be cool. Okay, so remember that. The little trick you learned from Tytus Bergstrom. You heard it first, DanceInsanity.com. Tytus Bergstrom, helping you be world champion in 5 seconds. And make sure you sign up for our 30-day ChaCha challenge coming at you in January 2019. There's more information in the description below, so check it out. I'm Tytus from Dance Insanity, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.